For humans, understanding what has already been said in a conversation in particular is quite easy or quite an easy task. But for a chatbot, the process is really complex. To keep track on the conversation, a chatbot makes use of an encoder. This is what is responsible for processing the conversation context. Concretely, Google's chatbot Mina has a single evolved transformer, encoder block, and 13 evolved transformer decoder blocks, for which illustrations are available but not necessarily very simple to understand for most of the people that are not developers. And I know that may sound too technical, but the idea behind this is that the decoder then uses information available to formulate an actual response through tuning the hyperparameters. Maybe hyper confusing too, but it has been discovered that a more powerful decoder was the key to higher conversational quality. Sadly, it is not available for boring people. Conversations used for training, I was saying, are organized as three threads, where each reply is the thread is viewed as one conversation turn. Researchers have extracted each conversation training example with 7 turns of context as one path through a 3 thread. Sounds like playing chess, huh? Authors choose 7 as a good balance between having long enough context to train a conversational model and feeding models within memory constraints. Why? Well, longer context takes more memory. That's basically the problem. Compared to an existing state-of-the-art generative model like OpenAI GPT, Mina has 1.7 greater model capacity and was trained on 8.5 more data. Because GPT-3 is available now and GPT-2 was used to train the model originally, but the point is that their chatbot can track what a conversation was about. And 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 I lost track of what I was about to say. That is helpful not just for robots, I guess. Well, what would you like to be, or would you like to be like a robot? I would, and keep track of conversations, of course. Anyway, the model has 2.6 billion parameters. Is that a lot? Depends. Take into account that this represents 341 gigabytes of text to train the model. Obtained from where, you might ask? Public domain social media conversations. I would like to know how many users contributed to the dataset. I know people that after receiving a simple hi will send gigabytes of text. So there are only 2 types of chatters. Send a message for a reply, that will be the first one, and the one that could train a chatbot by themselves. Hashtag you know who you are. Stop, please. But what about the quality? Can you replace humans to evaluate quality? Well,